Hello my dear children, I hope all of you are doing good at home, and today here I have come up with one poem in your book chapter 14. Name of the poem is Words, written by Nancy Lynch. Okay, now first of all let us discuss the title of the poem. What are words? Okay, so here the term word may refer to a spoken word or to a written word. Sometimes it may refer to the abstract concept or idea. Spoken words made up of units of sound, which is called phonemes, and written word of symbol is called graphemes. Phonemes and graphemes, such as the letters of the English alphabet. Okay, so see, like means there are different expression of words. Okay, like for example, if you are hungry at home, means how would you show your mother that you are hungry? How are you going to ask, isn't it? We try to hold our stomach, I am hungry and all. Yes or no? Without the words, means we cannot communicate each other. So word is such a thing which makes us, means everything easy going in life. All right, without word, think what would happen if there would not have been a word. How would you communicate with each other? So it is such a lovely thing, isn't it? Now let us read out the poem. So first of all I want to recite the poem so that you will follow me what I am reading it. Okay, so here we'll go. Words. A word is such a lovely thing. It builds a song, for words can sing, and words can swiftly through the sky on shining wings, for words can fly. They paint the autumn's flame and gold with colors fadeless, proud and bold. They paint the depth of trust that lies within a dog's adoring eyes. They bring the thrill of spray and foam to sailing hearts who stay at home. The moon lies hidden by a hill. Words lay it on my window sill. Oh, words can talk across the years, beyond the miles, above the fears. Down countless ages marching and sing. A word is such a lovely thing. See, isn't it a word such a lovely thing? Now, stanza by stanza, I will explain what the poet is trying to say or talking in each stanza. Okay, in the following poem the poet has talked about the importance of words and the wonders it could do. In the first stanza he termed word as a lovely thing, as it can be composed and turned into songs, which brings melody to the world. Like you hear the song every day. See, each song has a word, and by adding music to the word, it becomes a song, and it is giving a melody. Okay, a soothing sound. Next, in the same stanza, she personifies words and describes them with the sparkling wings that they use to travel far and wide. So that is in first stanza. Now coming to second stanza, the poet gives words the attribute of a talented painter and compares their painting with golden shades of autumn leaves. So here that color, golden color, has been compared with the shade of the autumn leaves. Like you have seen how in the autumn season how the leaves tree shade their leaves. isn't it? It turns golden in color. Withstand the test of a time and remains proud and bold. Lauding with the words, the poet describes them to have painted with the trust in adoring eyes of a dog. So that is the second stanza. Now in the third stanza or the verse, the poet describes about the various capabilities, like different person, different animal or anything has a different capabilities, isn't it, according to the strength. So here, like a true sailor, they are capable of bringing joy of sailing in the sea to the life of the people who are capable of living these moments in reality. The words can even give readers the pleasure of sighting the moon at their window sill, which is otherwise hidden behind the mountain. Coming to fourth stanza, the strength of the words is highlighted here in these lines, where they are talked as capable of talking across the years, as they are not afraid of any threats of time. So words keeps on moving, keeps on going through years and years, and even we treasure, we remember, no, in the life, like who has spoken what words, okay, what is it meant to us. For example, take it this poem itself. The poem is giving a soothing sound, a lyrical sound, but it wouldn't have been completed without the words, because to write a poem you need a words, isn't it? So this is how the poem has been described here. So without words it's impossible to do anything. Thank you so much. Till then, stay safe, have a good time.